Seeing your cat sneeze can be a perplexing moment, especially if you're not sure exactly what's happening. While sneezing in cats is relatively common and, in most cases, harmless, it can also be a sign that something is wrong with your feline friend's health. So, when should we be concerned? In this article, we will explore the various causes of sneezing in cats, how to identify if it's something serious, and what care can help keep your pet healthy. Sneezing in cats can be caused by a variety of factors, ranging from simple reactions to environmental changes to serious respiratory problems. It's important to understand that sneezing isn't a disease in itself, but rather a reflex of the body trying to get rid of something irritating or harmful in the nasal passages. Often, sneezing can just be a response to something simple, like dust, pollen, or even a change in the ambient temperature. Cats have an extremely sensitive sense of smell, and even the strong scent of a cleaning product or perfume can be enough to cause a sneeze. Additionally, the presence of loose hair or the use of poor quality litter can also trigger this reflex. Just like us, cats can also be allergic to certain environmental factors. This can include pollen, dust mites, mold, and even certain types of food. Allergies can cause frequent sneezing, often accompanied by other symptoms such as itching, redness in the eyes or ears, and clear nasal discharge. If you notice these signs, it may be time to investigate the cause of the allergy further. However, sneezing can also be a symptom of respiratory infections, which are quite common among felines. Viral and bacterial infections are some of the most common causes of sneezing in cats and can be more serious, especially if your cat is older, has a weakened immune system, or hasn't been properly vaccinated. Some of the most common infections include feline herpes virus, feline calicivirus, and the bacteria Bordetella bronchoseptica. These illnesses can cause sneezing, fever, nasal discharge, and even serious complications if not treated properly. In some cases, frequent sneezing can be caused by foreign objects in the cat's nasal passages, such as hair strands or pieces of grass. In this case, it's essential for a veterinarian to examine the animal and, if necessary, perform a procedure to remove the object. Additionally, dental problems can also cause sneezing. This happens because the roots of a cat's upper teeth are very close to the nasal passages. If a tooth is infected or there is an abscess, this can affect the respiratory system, causing sneezing. Monitoring your cat's dental health closely is important to avoid such complications. While occasional sneezing is usually harmless, there are certain situations where you should be concerned. Pay attention to the following signs, which indicate that your cat may need veterinary attention. If your cat's sneezing becomes frequent or lasts more than a few days, it may be a sign that something more serious is at play. The presence of thick, yellow, or green nasal discharge may indicate a bacterial infection that needs to be treated with specific medications. If your cat has difficulty breathing, rapid breathing, or wheezing, this could be a sign that the infection has spread to the lungs or that there is an obstruction in the airways. Cats that become more lethargic, lose their appetite, or start avoiding interactions may be in pain or discomfort due to an infection or other health problem. Preventing sneezing in cats involves ensuring that their environment and health are always up to date. Vaccination is the most effective way to prevent viral and bacterial diseases that can cause sneezing. Make sure your cat is up to date on all the vaccines recommended by the vet, such as those that protect against herpes virus and calicivirus. Additionally, regular vaccinations help strengthen your cat's immune system. Maintaining your cat's dental health is essential for preventing respiratory infections. Dental problems such as gingivitis and abscesses can trigger sneezing and other respiratory symptoms. Regular toothbrushing and periodic veterinary visits for dental exams are essential practices to ensure your feline friend's oral health. If your cat has allergies, identifying and eliminating the triggers can be crucial. Changes in diet, switching litter, or even using air purifiers can help reduce exposure to allergens. Additionally, there are medications that can be prescribed to control allergy symptoms. Keeping your cat's environment clean and free of dust, mites, and other irritants can help prevent sneezing. Change the litter regularly and make sure the house is well ventilated. Avoid using cleaning products with strong smells or perfumes that could irritate your cat's nasal passages. Regular veterinary visits are crucial for monitoring your cat's overall health. These checkups can also help detect respiratory issues early, ensuring more effective treatment. When your cat is experiencing frequent sneezing, the veterinarian may perform some tests to determine the cause of the problem. Some of the most common tests include rhinoscopy, which allows the vet to visualize the cat's nasal passages and identify the presence of foreign objects, polyps, or other abnormalities. Blood tests, which can be done to detect bacterial or viral infections. X-rays, which may be used to assess any issues in the lungs or upper respiratory tract. And nasal discharge cultures, which can be performed to identify the type of bacteria or virus present. Sneezing in cats can be caused by a range of factors, from simple irritations to more serious health problems. Observing the frequency and nature of the sneezing, along with other symptoms, is essential in identifying when a cat needs professional help. Keeping vaccinations up to date, maintaining dental health, and being mindful of your cat's environment are important steps in preventing many of these issues. If your cat shows signs of illness, don't hesitate to consult a veterinarian for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Remember, caring for your cat is a long-term commitment that ensures not only their physical health, but also the emotional well-being of your furry friend. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our daily videos full of advice and care for your pet. And I'll leave you 2 recommended videos on the side that I'm sure you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.